Hello. We're going to do a short lecture today, mainly talking about upcoming things that you can plan on happening over the next few weeks. Tomorrow is the beginning of the holy season, and that means that several things are going to happen over the next 6 weeks. First off, the Moonwings box set that many of you have ordered and have patiently been awaiting for months now, that is finally getting ready. We are receiving the leaves and the box sets themselves within the next few days. And that means that we should have them prepared to ship out a week from tomorrow, the Monday after the Thanksgiving holiday. You should receive them sometime next week or the following week, depending upon where you live in the world. And then we're going to have our course of the holy season, the course for the holy season. That will take place on either December 9th or December 16th, most likely. Lantos may change those dates, but that's probably when we're going to have it. I would anticipate it will be just a one-day course, but it might be longer. Right now, all we have is this message from Lantos from this morning. The holy season brings the light of knowledge, the light of life. Yes, we will present the knowledge of the holy leaves, their application and guidance in life, and the uses of the precious moon wings. We will also consider the harmonics of the I Am seeds, the individual sequence code of life. We will bring into harmony each individual sequence code as we enter the new year, the year of the song. Yes, very good. So the holy season course will be in December, likely the 9th, possibly the 16th. It is a free course. It will be held live online for you. Anyone is able to attend it. Anyone is able to participate, even if you don't have the Moonwings or the leaves, if you haven't attended the teacher training course for the flying seed, any of those things, you're still welcome to attend. Now, to make sure that everyone understands the subject matter that we're going to be going over, next Sunday, a week from today, I will be doing a review of some of the information on the flying seed, as well as on harmonics. Those of you who have attended the recent courses, the teacher training courses at the Western Gate, have most of the newest information on harmonics, but for everyone else, I'm going to make sure that you understand the concept of harmonics and the concept of the I Am harmonics. You're going to need to know this in order to be ready for the Holy Season course. So we'll be doing that next week. Now then, the following Sunday, we're going to be learning some new information that is pertinent to the holy season, because Lantos wants us to have everyone prepared for next year, the year of the song. That means a lot of things will be unveiled during next month, during December. For right now, since we have seen the value of enlivening the World Mother seed over the past several months, and as we go through the next few weeks, we will see even more Lantos's focus on the World Mother and the benefits for everyone in the world when we enliven the seed. For all of these reasons, today, when you have time, go ahead and enliven the World Mother, seed number 8, using your flying seed. At some point in time during the day today, go ahead and enliven this seed. And then I will see you next Sunday to do an in-depth review and an in-depth review of the harmonics of the I Am. Everyone, have a great week. For those of you celebrating Thanksgiving, have a great holiday. And I will see you again in just 1 week.